I don't need an introduction. You already know my name.
Yo, emangle. At the waterfall.
Watch me now, watch me go. Here it comes. I do my...
Get in the car, loser. We're going shopping.
Hi guys, it's your girl Wintley Vloggers. Now I'm back again with another video.
Guys, like ngikhumbulile like awona mhlanje siya rock.
Big wow.
Let's take this overboard now.
My video, Mara, why are you watching?
You are such a queen, baby girl. You ate that shit. Oh, clock and daughter.
We're gonna take pictures. So cute.
Now we'll sing aye.
Guys, I'd like to really
Now we know.
No, but a little.
Yeah, a little.
That's how we crash out. Yeah, I'm going to have to crash out. So I couldn't crash out and crash out to the Mandela. So I had to wake up in the morning and go find alternatives since Bangkok. That's all easy. Very sorry.
And I believe you played to Dora Mama.
So the mic, you know, cool. So Yeah, wins now. So I'm not going to put my mind.
Guys, Imuli is this
Mind you, I'm going back on YouTube.
Yo. Your name?
At the end.
Oh, should I remove
No, it's nice.
Oh, never. Hanging ball. It's a video.
Hi guys, this was behind the scenes.
Hi guys, stay tuned for more content.
Wait for us. 6 December.
Yeah, Sunbona. Hope kung galo si Mpelesi
Yes. So you can drop the ball.
But we going where?
So today, guys, on Thokozile Khumalo, the guys propose iympelesi zakhe, and you know, savuma. I hope you guys watch the whole video, enjoy the video.
Come to my YouTube channel.
Say hello to my YouTube channel.
Name fan. I say Kamuga. Naz 1, 2, 3, 4. Yo.
But it was a mess.
So let's into the good battle alone. We not find out again. Mama ngani. Bangathi phunyumeni sesimashala sesiyamarumi.
Bathi kunama animals la, so siyajika. Yo.
Alibeng le moyo mo right. Licela ngirubula moya.
Ay. I can't. So guys, we've come to the end of the day and we are done and we're waiting. I don't know, so we're just waiting outside and I think it's Lindu Toto Abui because she went to take pictures for an invitation. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys like, subscribe, share and comment on this video.
My voice will be in the...
See you guys in the next video and hope you guys enjoy the memulo content that is about to come, especially memulo wami and memulo Thokozile Khumalo, which is going to be on the 6th of October, but it's not the whole week. So I hope you guys enjoy the content. When I get home, I'm gonna unbox all the videos. Yo emangle.
You're sort of going to help me.
I'm going to unbox the packages that we got from Thokozile Khumalo and I'm going to show you guys around, show you guys our day, show you guys everything, and I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys enjoy and really, like, I'm not choice and stuff, like, yeah. I forgot I didn't do a fit check, so I got to be up for him. Anyway, okay, so her theme was pastel colors, right? So the dress I'm wearing I got from Shein. I'm pretty fun Momo. Wait. I'm pretty fun Momo. Yeah. So the theme today was pastel colors. Got this pastel yellow dress from Shein, and I was wearing black heels, but now I'm like because my feet were hurting because I've been wearing heels literally the whole day. So I'm wearing because it's a Shein. So I will show you guys because I'm going to jigs camera. I'll show you guys the shoes. And I was wearing black heels. I don't remember where I got those heels, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you because I have a whole lot of heels and I got Zuguti. This toilet but when I remember I will tell you. Okay, Here we go. So dress is from Shein, sandals are from Shein. I think this is how I look.
At the waterfall. Oh, you went to a waterfall. Give me a hug. Let me go.
Shoot and shoot and you nigga. Thank you.
Guys, we're gonna come back, but we won't come back.
I'm full kabang. Ang full kabang.
Why?
Why when? Open.
He's open.
The white.
The gift.
Yeah, not drop. Let's hold this up.
Man pathanda izinto. Each
Mina pause phela sokuphuzela. Oh my gosh, angikwazi ukumula ngaphandle kwakho.
You don't read everything. You don't read everything.
Oh man.
There's another message.
Ube Mpelesi yami.
What? There you go, girl. Get drunk. Bye, loser.
Get in the car, loser. We're going shopping.
Cause you